How to use PayPal in Best Buy app. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Best Buy application on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to use PayPal in Best Buy app, you need to make sure that you have a few items on your cart. So, if your cart is empty, then scroll through and add a few items on your cart. I have items on my cart already, so I will simply go ahead and tap on my cart. Now, make the necessary changes on your cart if required, and further tap on the Checkout button. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be asked to fill in your billing address and your contact information. Fill those in and tap on the Continue to Payment Information button. Now, scroll down and you will see the Other Payment Options radio button. Tap on that and then tap on the PayPal Checkout option. You will further be asked to enter your PayPal login credentials, so go ahead and enter your PayPal login credentials, and with this, you will be able to use PayPal in Best Buy. So, this is how you can use PayPal in Best Buy app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.